I've proved this to this date already, so I mean, I'm not that dumb. And anyone who tries this stuff is that dumb because we smokers have put up with this stuff our entire life. So we've been dealing with this behavior our entire life. At this point, it's video proof and my word against video proof. The history of proof submitted to CDPHE in the state, and I know I've complained to DP at some point about this. I guess they don't know that I'm about to leave regardless, so I mean, LOL. I love how the complaints were made at the very end while I was videotaping my room and myself. So, I mean, I've literally dealt with this in my life, but this is the exact same as the beginning of assured living. Now, I don't want to be bothering you all day, but I have to cover my ass, and I have to do that. So I just want to give you some heads up that I gave DP enough proof that she can decide for herself.